Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywealth. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is the account of one of my students who got my affiliate marketing software and my video course, and he's already earning, as you can see on the screen. So remember, it's not about how hard you work or how smart you work and the chances you take. Yeah, this software is really efficient, and it has really been encouraging. It has been giving me and my students, or anybody that has used it, that have access to the software, has been there like excellent results. And you can, it's not really applicable to Clickbank alone. You can use it on other affiliate marketing, other affiliate sites, or anything. If you need traffic to a particular site or link, you can always use the software. It's not only for Clickbank. So remember, if you want to get the software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number of the description of this video. Yes, get the software today and start earning. Remember, you don't need to have any previous knowledge about affiliate marketing or about the software before you can use the software. The video course, which will come to with the package when you pay, will tell you and will explain how you will use the software. And even if you are getting my package, I will open an account for you, a sales page, affiliate sales page. I will open it for you, and I will do the necessary things which will, before you start earning, so that I can start earning immediately. Thank you. So to get the software today, remember, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.